All right, here we are on the shop again. We got the Promac 1010 on the bench, and that 610 is almost done. It's on a different bench, but other than needing to get a new side cover for this thing, which I need to find, start shopping eBay or something. Other than that, I gotta get the fuel tank to seal up. I put a new gasket in, and that actually didn't take. That evening I was still leaking fuel, so I don't know, we'll probably give it a little moto seal and make it extra spiffy sealed. So, but now I gotta clean it up just a little bit more for that purpose. So hopefully, I mean, this thing, it fired off the very first day I put it in there, had some fuel in it, realized it was leaking, and decided it was time to change out the gasket, which I did, but that wasn't enough. So I had some loose paint stuff on here, I took that off, and we are going to go for it with the Moto Seal, I think, tonight. It's not something I can't undo, but I'd like to get this thing sealed so it'll go and have some fun with it. I do know it'll fire. The first day I opened it up, it did fire. Had some fuel in the line from just filling the tank, and it, first or second pull, no choke, and it went. I wasn't expecting it to, it just sort of did. Once we can keep fuel in the tank, fuel where it's supposed to be, then we'll be able to actually run it and tune it and all that good stuff, or see how it runs, see what it needs. So I'm excited for doing that. Should be tons of fun. I love these saws. So been some years since I've had a 1010, and it was not a Promac, but 1010 automatic. But got that saw from my grandfather when he decided he was too old to run it anymore, along with a little Homelight XL top handle, which is in some of my other videos. So, well, it's not that one. I didn't have either one of those. Those died long before I realized I could fix them, and so these are replacements. So, but I just love the sound and the feel of them, and it's just familiar and makes you think of Grandpa and all that. So that's fun and good. So that's dry. I'll give it another minute, maybe. But yeah, I really want this stinking thing to seal. So the shed's not very warm, but I had the saw and all the parts and the Moto Seal and everything inside. And I am running my little heater out here, but it'll come back in. Since it's all warm now, it'll probably come back inside the house tonight. Mama didn't complain about it being in there all day, so I think we're good. But hopefully this does the trick and won't have any more leaking, and we can get it running good and playing with it, and then we'll be able to have some video of it cutting, which should be fun. So we'll see. Tomorrow this thing may just be running. Fingers crossed, I guess. But didn't want that on my jacket. I've had this in fuel tanks before, so it dries on there, it's fine. So, put some on the top, on the cover, top of the tank here. It's now dry. I could have put this thing in the ultrasonic cleaner, but just carb cleaner, brake clean, get it done. And I want it to be out in the shop much longer than I, so I don't have to breathe it for too long. Get this in there. Get the gasket popped on. So it's leaking right on this back side here. It's coming right out of here and ended up in there, which I don't want. So yeah, I should get the gasket in it before I start monkeying with that. I hope this works on this saw. I've had it work once. I've only ever tried it one other time on another Mac. So hopefully it does the trick. Cork gasket all the way in there properly. Which sometimes is harder than it ought to be. Get the fuel line on before we get crazy in here. Just easier with more room. Take that off. Here we go. So I left tools out on the other bench. So, hey, at least they're slotted. We can use a scratch. So hopefully this gets a companion video very, very quickly of this thing running and cutting some wood. As long as this sealing job holds, that's what we're after. So here's hoping. We'll see if I end up with a 100% success rate, having done this twice now, or it's only, 50%. But only waiting overnight will tell. Now, clean up the metal seal from the outside. The saw needs a good cleaning anyway, but I kind of want her to run. It's actually not that bad of a looking saw, really. And for now, this side cover will work, near as I can tell. At least I can start it, tune it, mess around with it. Haven't tried throwing a bar on it yet. I got a few that should work, but she needs more of a bath too, but we'll get there. One thing at a time. So, anyhow, there she is. We'll see how it does. Hope you're all having a good time and doing well whenever you see this, and talk to you soon. Bye.